Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Grimac espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pour a shot. See, we get a beautiful shot of espresso with really good crema. And let's test the steam. Nice strong steam. You have to look at that valve. See, the valve is leaking, and then this one. Hot water works well. So thank you for preparing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.